ice, but there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Celia. So today I'm gonna create this look. Well, I already created the look. I know it's been a while. I haven't posted a makeup video. We're not gonna talk about it. Today I decided to just get in front of the camera so I can get back in the groove of filming for you guys, and this is a look that I created. I wanted to do something a little bit more out of my comfort zone that I normally would wear off camera, because I really don't wear eyeshadow that much off camera. So I wanted to come back with a little thing, being a little bit more creative than the usual, and so I could get back in that funk so I can start filming again consistently. So this is a look, and I hope you guys like it, because I really do like it. I love how it came out, and blue is my favorite color. Well, royal blue for it to be exact. It's my favorite color. So I hope you guys like it, and if you do like it, give this video a thumbs up, comment below as well, and yeah, so take care guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Hey guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I already moisturized my face, and I used the e.l.f. moisturizer. I'm gonna use a little bit of eye cream, and as usual my Estee Lauder eye cream, just to hydrate underneath my eyes. I'm gonna prime my face, and I'm using the Fenty Beauty primer. I have the Benefit Professional primer, and I've never used it, but I love my Fenty, so yeah. I see this look on Instagram that I think I'm gonna try and recreate. Hopefully it comes out good. I'm gonna color correct my mouth area, because I'm breaking out a little bit right here. So I'm using the Covergirl concealer, trueblend concealer in golden caramel and deep golden. This one is too dark and this one is too light, so I'm mixing both. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that seems like a lot. Oh well. And I'm using my brush to blend that in. I'm just patting that into my skin. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Givenchy foundation. I do not know what color this is in. It doesn't say. I'm gonna put that on my skin. Oh crap. Using my foundation brush. I'm gonna use whatever is remaining on the brush on my forehead. I don't really put that much foundation on my forehead no more. So I'm gonna go in with my beauty sponge, and I'm just gonna blend that in my skin. My brows, and I'm using the Covergirl brow pencil, and I think this is soft black. I don't do too much to my brows no more. Just gonna clean that up with a little bit of concealer. I don't really carve out the top of my brows no more, just focus on the bottom. So I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna move on to my eyes and put some on my lid. Gonna blend that out. This is the look that I want to recreate, but I don't exactly want to use the same color. Like, she's like a teal. I don't want to put too much like hers. I just think I want to focus the blue in the corner, but and I don't want to use this color. I think I want to use this blue. I'm not sure. we'll see. So I have some Juivas Place palette with me, and I'm gonna be using all three or probably all two, I don't know, we'll see. So the first color I'm gonna go into is this from the mini palette, this color, and I'm using my fluffy brush and I'm blending that in circular motions. I'm gonna go into this color. Okay, I'm gonna use a little bit of my contour shade. And I'm tilting my head backwards so I can place the shadow exactly where I want it. I'm gonna go in with this eyeshadow just a little bit, and I'm kind of gonna go on top of that color I just placed. Next, I'm gonna go in with this color. So we are pretty much building the intensity, and I'm gonna put this in the outer V, gradually build it up in my crease with my head tilted down, just like before. Next, I'm gonna go in with this dark shade, this one. Same brush. This one is darker than the first brown, and I'm gonna do the same thing, build it up on the outer V, just like that, then tilt my head up, and using the remaining eyeshadow that left on the brush, I'm gonna bring that in the outer V, in the crease area, just like that, tilting my head backwards. As I said, because I have hooded lids, so it's kind of hard to do my eyeshadow like this. So for me to do the right placement, I have to kind of tilt, lift my brows up and tilt my head backwards so I can see exactly what I'm doing. And my mirror is kind of underneath my chin but in front of me, if that makes sense. So I'm seeing exactly where the shadow is going, because if not, then it's not gonna look that good. So and having the right brushes also helps. So now I'm looking forward to see how it's looking when I close my, looking straight forward. Hope that makes sense. And it's nice. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit more in building up that intensity in the outer corner again. And I'm barely touching my skin. I'm literally like flicking this onto the outer V, like literally. And again, with whatever remained on the brush, I'm gonna hold my brush and kind of bring it inwards. So I'm checking that. I'm going back in with the brush, with this brush that had this color on it. I'm just gonna go on top of that and blend it out, so we still can see that color peeking through. So moving to the next eyes. Okay, so now that's done, which I love. I'm going to go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with this shade. I like this shade because I had two looks. I had this one and this one, so I think I'm gonna mix these two looks. So I'm gonna go in with color, this one. Start from right here. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Like, this is so pigmented. I didn't even wet my brush. This is gorgeous. So we're gonna go into the deeper color and just blend out the edges of this so everything can just look seamless together. So we're going in with the Juivas Place palette. We're gonna use this one. I feel like I need to do my under eyes first. So I'm gonna pretty much go in with the same colors that I use on the top of my eyes. I'm gonna go in with this one first. So we're gonna go back to my lids, and I think I want to use, I'm gonna put a little bit of this blue shadow on my lids to see what's happened. Yeah, I like that. For my inner corner, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of this color, just like right here, just to give it a little bit more pop. Yeah. Ooh, this is a nice little look. I like this. So I'm going to add some lashes, and I'm using this one, and then I come back and finish off my face. So I'm gonna use blush, and I'm using the Urban Decay Cherry palette. I'm using this blush. I'm gonna spray my face. Add some highlight, and I'm gonna use this one from Colorpop.
But there's something cold in the way you are. The things you said had me going good, but it left a scar. You invite me and then you turn me down. Get my hopes up and then you're gone. I fall for every word that you say to me. So hard, being drawn to you so easily. I am stuck in a loop of chemicals. What's the point of this? But I don't wanna be alone. I keep looking at my phone, but you never call me. And then I see you on the street, said your heart just skipped a beat, and that you miss me. It's always the same story.